Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Professor Hulk from the Avengers. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the top of his eyes first. So we're going to draw in 2 lines for the eyelids. And then once you have those 2 lines on the corner here, just kind of slant them down. And then from those 2 lines, right on the bottom, just draw a little bit of a kind of like a half circle. And that's going to be his eyeball. And I'm going to shade them in, but I'll leave a little bit of a highlight. Just leave 2 little circles inside. Alright, so that's going to be his eyes. And then from there we can draw in his mean brow. From the corner here, I'm going to slant up. And on the side, just kind of dip it down a little bit. So right over the eyebrow. Dip it back down. And then let's give it some thickness. So we're going to start in the corner here. We'll go up. And we'll follow the same thing here. And as we get up to here, close it off nice and sharp. Okay, so slant up. Just follow the line. Close it off. Alright, so now we can draw in his nose. So come down here. And we're going to slant out this way. So just come down and then draw a little slant. So it's got a wider nose. And then we'll come in. Just a little bit of an angle right in the middle. And then for his mouth, just come down. So this one's nice and easy. Just going to draw kind of like a little bit of a frown there. So one big curve and then his lower lip. And now let's add in a little bit of detail. So right on the corner of his mouth, draw in like a little curve coming down. And then also right on his nose right here, just add a little bit of creasing. Just continue that line. Alright, so now we can fill in the rest of the face. So right here, across from the eye, just come out. So just come down all the way to the mouth. His face is a little bit wider. And then from this point here, we're going to curve it in. And he's got a really big chin, so we'll stop right here. We'll close it off with a flat line. And then for his chin, let's add in one little line there. And then lastly, for the facial details, right here, just add a little line for his cheekbone. Okay, so now we can finish up the top of his head. So I'm going to come up. And then we'll come back down to finish up his hairline. So right on the side right here, right on the eyebrow, just draw like 2 slants. And then this one's gonna go up. And his hairline's easy, we're just gonna draw one curve all the way across. And then now let's draw on the top of his hair, but we're gonna add in a little bit of a spike here. So just gonna come up, draw a couple of these spikes like this. And then here's the very top. And again, it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have some kind of spike coming out to give the hair a lot more detail. Alright, and let's move on. Let's finish up with his ear, right on the side from the eye. So the ear is always very easy, it's just basically one curve. Alright, so now let's draw in his muscular body here. So we're going to start on his shoulder. We're going to start on the back of his ear right here. Just curve out. He's got really big muscles. And then we're going to come down here. Let's just finish. This is not his neck. This is just part of his muscle here. So just draw 2 little curves like this. And then come down to the center. Okay, this is, I guess, would be his collarbone. Just flare up. Draw one line. Okay, and then now we're gonna come back here. Here's his armpit. We're gonna come all the way down here. Slant in. Same thing here, come down. Slant, so this is gonna be his chest muscle here. And then when we close this should be going up a little bit. Okay, so that's gonna be his chest. And then for his abdomen and waist level here, from this corner, come down, and then here's his, I guess the top of his pants. Okay, and then let's go ahead and finish up his arms, and then we'll add in more detail to his body later. So here's his armpit. Here's his shoulder right here. So we're gonna come out nice and wide. Very big muscle. Come back here. Here's the bicep. So this is easy, just one big bracket. Lower arm, we're gonna flare out. Come in a little bit shorter. Come back here. Here's his wrist. His thumb, just gonna hook it. Back of the fist. And then for this one, we'll turn it, just come down, and then just hook it back up. Alright, so now let's try on the other side, and it's pretty much the same. So here's the armpit. Come back up here, here's the shoulder, nice and big. Again, the bicep, just two curves. Lower arm, flare out. Come down to the wrist. Straight down. Here's his fist. Just come down. Little hook. Back of the fist. And then for this one, come down a little bit more. And then just hook it back right behind the thumb. Alright, and then to finish up the details on the body, let's just add a couple of lines here. Make him look a little bit stronger. And then even on his neck right here, I'm just gonna add in two little lines coming out. And then for the abdomen here, I draw one line straight down in the middle. And then right here, I'm gonna curve it out. So same thing here. And then we'll give him a six pack, so we're just gonna draw in two lines right here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the upper body, and let's move on to the bottom. So his legs are, it's very easy to draw. So come down to the center here. Draw one line across. And then we're gonna start up here. Curve all the way down. This is gonna be his knee right here. So here's the center. Come over here. It's one curve coming out. And then for his knee, just a little bracket. And then we can close it off. And that's actually the end of his pants right there. Okay, so then same thing here. Start up here. Curve all the way down. Just use the other side for reference. Come back to the center. Come over. Curve. And then same thing here, just a little bracket. Close it off. And then now we can join the lower leg. So right here, flare out. Curve, and this one is almost straight down. And then for his foot, curve out. And then on this side, just kind of come down, flatten it, come straight down, and then one line across. And then for his toes, we'll keep it simple. Draw one line here. And then let's add three more here, smaller ones. Okay, same thing here. Curve out. Come back in here. This one's straight down. Same thing here for his foot. Curve down, and this one go out more, and then curve it. Close it off. And then same thing here. One bigger line and then 3 smaller ones. And that is it for this Professor Hulk from the Avengers. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.